Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. It's time to say goodbye. My trusty Dewalt, it smells bad. One of the first tools I ever bought when I got into woodworking is this Dewalt 20 volt drill. It doesn't owe me anything at this point. It's been a trusty friend for 9 years. But that's top speed. It's given off a scent, and it's time to move on. But it's been such a stalwart companion. I'm replacing it with its newest version. New 20 volt brushless Dewalt 1/2-inch drill. Let's get it open and have a look, see if there's any difference between the old one and the new one. And I'll talk to you a little bit about how I use a drill here in my shop. Come on, let's go. All right, so the new, apparently, 20 volt brushless Dewalt 1/2-inch brushless hammer drill driver kit. I have no affiliation with Dewalt whatsoever. I paid full price for this at my local shop. The only reason that I'm sticking with Dewalt is, well, like I said, this guy has been around doing good work for me for 9 years. I have no problems with it. I'm also clearly in the Dewalt battery system, so it just doesn't make sense to me to go in a different direction. Let's have a look. Oh, we got a carry bag. Always gotta have the carry bag. For me, I do not need a carry bag, but you know, maybe you need a carry bag. I got the kit that comes with the battery. I probably didn't need another battery and another charger, but new batteries are always good. Batteries do wear out. Comes with another 2 amp hour battery. This is like probably my 5th of these. It's probably time to retire 1 or 2 of them anyway. It's a little more compact for sure. Absolutely a more compact frame. That's the first thing that jumped out at me, is it's seriously a fair bit smaller. Okay, well, let's, I'm going to give it a little while. I'm going to test it for a while. I'm probably not going to put the belt clip on it either, because I don't know the last time, if ever, that I've clipped my drill onto a belt. The light is in a different place. Light on this one is up at the top. Light on this one is down here. Don't know if that's going to make any difference. I'm going to give this a test for a little bit, and we'll talk about any differences that I find between the two over a little bit of time. This is my new drill. Happy with my purchase. I paid full price for it. Like I said, it was probably somewhere in the neighborhood of about $130 Canadian. I think I got it on sale. But there we go. All right, so that's my new drill. I'm gonna use it for a bit, and then we'll talk. Boo! It's time for the ad. There's always got to be an ad of some kind in these videos, doesn't there? Dewalt is not paying for this video. My friends at patreon.com/woodenthingsandstuff are who pays me to keep doing what it is that I do out here. So there's a link down in the description below to head over there and check it out if you want to get involved in the community. And just every little bit helps, goes a really long way to help keep me going out here in the shop and here on the channel doing what I do. Thanks very much for considering, and let's get back to the drill and have no more ad, because ads are terrible. So okay, like 4 or 5 months in, no complaints so far. A couple of points to make. I do think it's a little bit slower than the old one. At least when the old one was not crapping out and like smelling like electrical fire when I pulled the trigger. I think it was faster. Actually, it might still be faster. I think even now, oh, that smells terrible. I think even now this one is still faster than this one, which is interesting to me. But, oh, that stinks. Don't use that one. But for me, out here in the shop as a hobbyist guy, I'm not on a job site where time is money and I'm drilling a million holes. So that's not a big deal for me. Over the course of its life versus that one, I might spend an extra 4 minutes. Over 8 years worth of drilling, that's not that big a deal. Most of the use that I get for a drill, personally, is maybe a little different use case than a lot of people. Most of the time that my finger is on the trigger of a drill is over at the lathe, doing sanding on the inside of bowls. So that is not an easy use. That's not nice to the tool. It's not really how it's designed to be used. So it probably doesn't really like that. Honestly, that's probably putting it nicely. So I am not nice to my drills. This guy lasted me 8 years-ish. So we'll see. Obviously, I can't speak to the longevity of this. It's been 4 months. But I will do an update video if it craps out on me, and you guys can all be like, well, of course it did, idiot. That's not how you're supposed to use a drill. But my last one gave me 8 years, so it is certainly a little bit more compact. It's a little stubbier in length, but it feels more robust, and I think it's more well-balanced than the old one is. I do like the placement of the light down here. I'll show a quick demonstration on why I like that, and we'll come back and we'll finish up. So old design with the light up here. Actually, the light itself gets blocked by the end of the collet. Is this the collet? The chuck? The chuck of the drill? I guess it's the chuck. It actually gets blocked by the drill itself from getting right to the tip of your drill bit when you're drilling. Whereas the new design, because the light's down here and shooting up, it is better at sort of fully illuminating your space while you're drilling. The only issue that I can see is that if you're drilling, say, around another board to drill in here, it's going to be blocking your light. I don't know if that's really going to be an issue or how often that's going to be an issue. I think this is a better design personally, but if you're often drilling around other things and in the dark, I don't know, maybe not, but I can't see that being an issue for me literally ever. Yeah, so that's it for this one. So far, so good. That's it. It's the DCD798 brushless hammer drill from Dewalt. Is going to be my new drill for the foreseeable future. And I'm good with that. So, stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, everybody. We'll see you next time. Go make some stuff. Go make something. I'm going to go make something. Just made this bowl. New drill. Helped me sand the inside of this bowl that I just finished just now. All right. Now I'm going to go make something else. See you later. Just want to take a quick minute to talk to you folks about this week's sponsor, which is my friends over at patreon.com/woodenthingsandstuff. That was a bad cadence. It definitely is a different feel. It is. I feel like it. I feel like it feels like it's more robust. I feel like it. I feel like it feels that way. Hey, sorry for the interruption. I just want to give a quick thank you shout out to my friends over at patreon.com/woodenthingsandstuff. They chip in a little bit every month, and it really goes a long way to help keeping me going out here in the shop and here on the channel. There's a link down in the description to head over there and get to be a part of that team. Get to... And it's good so far. I have no complaints. I think it's a little bit slower than the old one. Just a smidge, a smidgen, a titch, 0.4 newtons of a slow. So I've been using this guy for, what, 4 or 5 months? Something like that. It's gone through the entire shop reno here with me. It's drilled a lot of holes of different sizes. I almost said shapes and sizes. They're all round. You're going to have to cut this thing together in a weird way. Because you can't just keep doing the whole thing again and again and again. Start somewhere in the middle. Start somewhere after you think that you said something good. They really do. They really do. By volume, they lift above their weight. I don't even think that's the cliche. They're ants. They're like ants. They lift many times their body weight in terms of their financial support for the show. Have you ever used your drill as a hammer? Apparently this is a hammer drill. I should have tested that to see how good it is at being a hammer. What is it? Adam Savage says everything's a hammer? Maybe I'll test that and get back to you. So there's a link down in the description below for the direct route over there to check it out if you want to get involved with that part of my community and do what Dewalt doesn't do, which is pay me. God, you are terrible at this. Not just me, but also the students in my classes are using it that way. Plus, it was also used for drilling. For me, not as much as sanding, but let's go again. Let's go again.